Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you quickly and easily how to add a library in Figma. So guys, if you want to import some kind of files or maybe someone else's library or maybe yours that you want to import from somewhere else, you need to go to the main menu button right here, click on it, then you go to libraries. Then guys, as you can see, you can publish your components as a library. So basically this project that you have, you can publish as a library. Also you have updates, and then you can also browse for libraries. As you can see, you can go to, for example, UI kits, and you can just go ahead and add it. As you can see, we have the components and stuff, add assets, different ones, buttons, avatars, a whole bunch of stuff in this library. So you can just open this file or swap the library, for example. So let's open the file. And as you can see now, you can just open in Figma. Now make a copy. It's going to open in a new file. Okay, and as you can see, this is just a very simple design system library. As you can see, we have everything on the right. We have the text styles, effect styles, and everything else. So that's pretty much how this is done. Quite simple, guys. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to not miss the fresh videos.